Hello everyone and welcome to the first video as a part of the training videos on filling up and submitting the DGQI, the Data Governance Quality Index, second edition self-assessment questionnaire via the DGQI portal. In this video, we are going to walk you through the different parts and sections of the questionnaire and how they are to be filled online using this portal. As you can see, I have already logged in to the portal and this is the home page of the portal as will be visible to any user. At the top left, we have the resources section. On clicking this section, you will be directed to two resources, the user manual of this portal and the list of ministries along with their schemes as have been decided to be covered under the exercise. The ministries are requested to fill up the questionnaire and provide information on all these schemes that have been listed here. If they have any other scheme that is not listed here, or if they have any other non-schematic intervention, such as any other monitoring dashboard or any other monitoring system that they would like to include under this exercise, they are free to fill up the questionnaire for that scheme or that non-schematic intervention also. Going back to the index, on the top, we have two buttons that allow you to fill up the questionnaire. The DGQI self-assessment questionnaire is divided into two parts. Part A of the questionnaire is to be filled at the ministry department level. That is, each ministry or department of the Government of India is required to fill up this questionnaire only once at the consolidated level of the ministry or department. This part A has 8 sections ranging from background information to good practices. Each section has multiple questions within it which are to be responded by the ministry or department. After filling up part A, the ministry departments can go to part B of the questionnaire. The part B of the questionnaire, the key difference is that this questionnaire is at the program or the scheme level. When we say that it is at the scheme level or the program level, what we mean is that this part of the questionnaire is to be filled up for as many schemes or as many non-schematic interventions that the ministry decides to include under the exercise. Therefore, if the ministry has 2 schemes that are included under the exercise, part B will be filled up 2 times. Whereas part A, as we have already explained, it is to be filled in only once by every ministry and department. This part B, it has 6 sections ranging from data generation to data management. Again, every section has multiple questions which are to be responded by the ministry department. After the ministries fill up part A or part B, they have the option to save it as draft when it is still work in progress, and finally submit it when they consider the information to be final for examination purposes. Please note that without submitting this final information, it will not be considered that the form is finally submitted. Therefore, it is very important for the ministry department to finally submit their information using the submit button. After this information is submitted, the ministry departments can use the print option at the top to take a printout or to save or to download and save the questionnaire, both part A and part B, and the responses to them as have been filled up by the ministry or department for the future reference. Going back to the index, the home page also gives you an overall overview of how many part Bs are remaining to be filled up. So this tab on the left gives us the total number of schemes that have been decided by the ministry to be included under DGQI. Then the middle tab shows us the total number of schemes for which part B has been filled up. And the rightmost tab shows the number of schemes for which part B is remaining to be filled up. If you click on more info, it will also give you the list of the schemes for which part B is remaining to be filled up. So that's all for this video. This video is followed up by detailed trainings on how and what to fill in each question and section of the questionnaire. If you have any queries with respect to these questions or sections, we request you to please refer to these trainings. Thank you.